How to remove shortcut icon from Facebook. So go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the upper right corner. Then tap the gear icon, which you can also see on the upper right corner. Then under Preferences, you will see this navigation bar option. Tap this option, and then tap the Customize the Bar option. So in this page, you will find a variety of shortcuts which you can customize on your navigation bar. So to remove a shortcut icon from your navigation bar, all you have to do is tap the drop-down arrow button beside that shortcut, say for example, Friend Requests, and then change it to Hide. So now this shortcut won't appear on your navigation bar. So you can remove as many shortcuts as you like. And so that is how you remove shortcut icon from Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.